Hi, you're back with Danielle Jones' Down Home Cooking Show. And we left off with our chicken in the deep fryer. And here's my husband taking the chicken out of the deep fryer. And so, if my son could get up close so you can see what it looks like. Alrighty.
Those are wedges.
So now we're gonna put maybe 4 in here and toss it in the garlic parmesan sauce. Remember I told you had to do it while it was hot or it wouldn't stick. And then we're gonna do the ranch ones. And we're gonna put the ranch on. And we'll put a little extra parsley flakes on the ranch one. And let me put them in a plate so you can see the finished product. And here's the finished product of the ranch wings. Here we go. Those are the ranch ones. And let me do the garlic parmesan wings. Toss these babies.
Those are the ranch parmesan.
These are the garlic parmesan wings. And these are, turn it that way so they can see. And these are the garlic parmesan wings.
Garlic parmesan
And ranch. Alrighty, now I'm going to show you how to make the sauce for the French fries that I made. Here, Larry. Take some. Now for the sauce for the French fries that I made. You need garlic. You need capers. You need relish. You need mayonnaise. You need red hot sauce. Oh, and my main ingredient I forgot. Ketchup. So now what we do is, I already had my capers chopped up. Is this on me what I'm doing? As you can see, my husband is enjoying the wings. Let me put the capers in. Need you some mayonnaise. Ketchup. Hot sauce. I usually like sriracha, but didn't have any, so hot sauce will do. And relish. And we mix this all together. And you can also, what I like to do is I add a little bit of the caper juice in there. Just a smidgen. It's kind of a soury, tart. Just a little smidgen. And here you have it. Fry sauce. And I'm going to have my husband taste the fry sauce. Let's see. So, we will be back with my, what do you call those things? My pizza pockets, sorry, and my pretzel weenies. We're not going to have rotel because my husband forgot to take the ground turkey out of the freezer. So we're going to eliminate that one. But I will be back with the weenies and the pizza pockets. Sayonara. I'm out.